Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today I have something special for you guys. I received a couple products. It is a jump starter or jump pack, one of the portable ones that you can throw in your glove box. Well, they were kind enough, I'll go over all the details here soon, but they were kind enough to send me a couple. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway in this video. Basically, I'm gonna do a quick review. If you guys decide that you like the product or you think it's worth it, just drop a comment down below. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, and here in the future, near future, I will do just a random selection out of the comments below, and I will send it to one of you guys. Now, sorry for everybody in other countries. This is just gonna be for the United States for this one. So if you're here in the United States and you're interested in this product, just drop a comment down below. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, and let me know what you guys think of this product. Other than that, that's really all I got for you guys. I will also be doing another giveaway in probably my next video, so stay tuned for that one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's get into this. Okay, so this is the product right here, sent me by Pushidun, Pushidun, I believe. This is what it comes in, pretty plain Jane. This is the one I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of, and then I'm gonna probably throw it in my wife's glove box so she always has one, because her battery has died on her a couple times. And then this one is already still sealed, and this is the one that will go to the lucky winner. So opening it up, first you're gonna have the jump pack itself. Then underneath you're gonna find your battery charging cables or jump cables. You're going to find your USB adapter for both micro USB for your Android and Samsung devices, and then you have a lightning charger for your iPhones as well. Now there's no charger, but you can use this as a charger, I believe, since the charging port on this device is just micro USB. But most people just have one of these cables laying around the house anyways. So the other item, you're gonna get a quality control card, a little fan club card, the instruction manual, and the adapter. Now I believe iPhone 8s and newer, they all came with wireless charging. I have the iPhone 7 Plus, which doesn't. So this is pretty cool. Now this isn't made for Androids or Samsungs or anything. This is specifically a lightning plug, and this allows you to place this in between your phone and your phone case and then plug it in, and then you can lay your phone on top of this device and it will charge. Now it's at 5 watts, so I've never used a wireless charger before, so I'm not sure if it's going to be, you know, a fairly quick charger, if it's going to take all day. Not too sure. I plugged my phone into it just to see how it would do, and it did charge it, but I only threw it on there for like a minute or two. Besides that, that's everything that comes with it. Now, if you are interested and you don't win this item from me, this kit is only $26. Now there's a lot of jump starter packs out there now. They've become a huge thing, and they're all handy. Really nice thing to keep in your glove box for situations where your battery goes dead. And if you need an external charger or anything like that, obviously. So this one specifically is $26. It's going to be a 400 amp peak. It's going to be a 6,000 milliamp hour battery pack. And part of the description says it will jump a 2.5 liter 20 times before the battery dies on it. And then another portion of it says a 3.0 liter. So I'm guessing, you know, not a huge difference there, but this one specifically is not made for your bigger trucks or V8 or anything like that. So this is mainly for your, you know, 4 cylinders and maybe possibly some 6 cylinders. Now, it does say that it'll jump it 20 times before the battery is dead. This thing should be at least 30% charged before attempting to jump start anything. Other than that, the lifetime on this battery jump starter is going to be 1,000 jump starts. That's the average lifespan of these. Now for $26, that's pretty good. And if you're jump starting, now let me be more specific. I do not know if it's 1,000 jump starts or 1,000 times charging the battery, because a lot of people will probably use this to, you know, as an external charger for their phone and tablet and gaming systems, more often than jump starting a vehicle. Now, unless you're one of those people that has a really bad parasitic draw and they just let their battery die over and over and over without actually figuring out what the parasitic draw is. But so just specifying, I don't know if it's 1,000 times this thing is charged or if it's just 1,000 jump starts. It doesn't really specify. Now it does come with a built-in LED. I will show you. It has the wireless iPhone charging, and it has a lot of protection things. And I was looking at the protection information, and some of them they sound pretty similar to me. So I don't know if it's just the foreign transition to English that they just didn't realize that some of these words are kind of basically the same thing. They have over temp protection, overcharge protection, over discharge protection, over current protection, short circuit protection, reverse charge protection, reverse connection protection, and reverse polarity connection. Other than that, that's all the information I really have on this. Now I'm going to show you the item up close. Here's the information. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's going to have the wireless charging symbol on this side, push it on that side, and it's an all plastic material, so I probably wouldn't go dropping this thing. It's got a little bit of weight to it, but to get the flashlight to turn on, you have this button on the side. That's going to be your battery indicator. You got 4 blue LEDs, and then if you push and hold it in, you get that. Push it again, you get a strobe, and then SOS. And then off. You got your USB port for your lightning charger and stuff like that to charge other devices. You have a micro USB port right here in order to charge the actual jump starter. Then you have this little rubber cover that covers the connection for charging or jumping a vehicle. And that's really all there is to this actual device itself, and the clamps are actually of pretty good quality. They have the cables secured in there. They're flexible cables, they're not stiff. Secured really nicely, crimped on both sides. Nice teeth. Not a lot of metal showing, so you don't accidentally bump them together or anything like that. Same thing with this. So overall, I'd say for $26, it's a pretty good deal. There's your information on what the lighting means, because you have the protection light here, then you have the power button right here. So stay tuned for my next giveaway video. It's going to be an off-road light kit, and I will be using this in order to show you the operation of those lights. But once again, let me know what you guys think of this product. If you enjoy it, like I said, drop a comment, leave a like, and you'll be enrolled for your chance to win the other one, not this one, obviously. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.